Hello, everyone! Exciting news! Starting November 10th, MisterWorker is launching incredible Black Friday deals dedicated to Fervi. You can now enjoy up to 50% off on the brand's professional tools, machines, and workshop equipment trusted by experts. Fervi stands as a true leader in the MRO sector, providing innovative solutions for maintenance, repair, and high-level craftsmanship. Known for its commitment to research and development, Fervi designs advanced machinery that meets the highest standards of quality. Whether in mechanical workshops, automotive repair, or carpentry, professionals worldwide rely on Fervi for performance and durability. This Black Friday, discover the perfect balance between innovation and value. Only on MisterWorker. Explore the complete Fervi catalog on our website, featuring drill presses, lathes, sandblasters, and lifts, alongside an extensive range of professional workshop tools. From the precision of the 0012 drill press and the Aero 7116's mini lathe to the power of vertical sandblast cabinets and motorcycle lifts, every product is designed to meet the daily challenges of professionals. Don't miss these exclusive Black Friday discounts. Upgrade your workshop with genuine Fervi machines and tools at unbeatable prices. Visit MisterWorker.com to explore all the Fervi Black Friday offers and bring professional-grade performance to your workspace.
MisterWorker. Work tools for professionals.